Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn about the Angular styling secrets, master host and the host context. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So understanding the host in Angular. The host selector targets the host element of a component. This means you can style the component's root element without affecting its internal structure using the host for the styling. So here we have the app card component.ts file. Let's add this, and after this we are going to use that in our app component.html file. Okay, so I think we should use the template. So here we have the code base. Just me hide this, and I'm going to use the any template over here. So this is about us template, right? So anything we have about contact us. Okay, let's use the contact us. I guess we have the contact us, right? So I'm going to use that one. So here we have the component, right? So we have to import the Angular core for this. So in the contactors component we have ts file. Okay, so Angular core is already there. Now we have to go with our template. So we have to just add this Angular component, right, in the p tag. So here I'm going to just add it over here. Now we have to do the styling part like this. So here I will go with the styling in our css. So here we have the css, right? So let's add this and save this. Okay, now this is gonna be export the class already there. Okay, now we have to use this in our app component file, right? Host ensures that the styles apply only to the app card element, not its inner p tag. The display block makes sure that the component behaves as the block level element. Background color, border and the padding styles make it visually distinct. So in the app component.html, I'm going to use this. But with the help of the selector, I'm going to call this component, right? So in our main component, that is app component, let's see where it is. I've already opened this app component.html. Okay, and in our ts file, so here we have this. This is menu bar. So here I'm going to if use this. Sorry, I need to just import that one also. So here we have the contactors.html, and here we have to go with our app contactors, right? So we have to use this one. So just scroll it. Here we go with this app component. So let's add this because this is we have to add it. Okay, and now we have to add in our import. So import contactors component, and let's use this one over there. Right, now there are results. Okay, so let's run it. There is no error, and let's go. And here you can see that in the contactors we have the Angular card component, and so it's multiple time because we have used in our here. One is for this one and one is for because the header is common for all. Okay, because I have added in our header, right? So in the contactors here we can see that. Let's go and just check the contactors part. So here you can see the host ensures that the styles apply only to the app card element, not its inner p tag. Let's have a look. So if I go and just check that one, there is a no alignment Angular card component. Here you can see, and we have a app contactors. Okay, so here we have applied everything, that display block, padding, border, everything. So not the inner p tag it's applied to the host one. So host ensures that the styles apply only to the app card element, not its inner p tag. The display block make sure that the component behaves as a component level element, and background color, border, padding styles make it visual distinct. So this is what It is the host. Okay, without the host, styling would have to apply directly to the app card in the parent component using the host with input properties, right? So you can use attribute bindings inside the host to dynamically change the styles. Okay, so here you can see that we have a theme box component, right? So here you can see that we have a host theme equal to dark and theme equal to light, and with the help of the added input, so here we are applying the theme equal dark and the light, and in the component file main one, so here we are going to just use the theme equal to dark and the theme equal to light. So here what we are trying to use, attribute binding inside the host to dynamically change the styles. Okay, so please try it, and any doubt in that, just do let me know. Okay, so here the host theme dark applies the styles only when the component has the theme equal to dark. Okay, next we have the understanding the host context. The host context selector styles a component based on the parent context. Okay, so whenever we have a condition like if you want to style a component based on the parent context, you can go with the host context. Okay, theme based styling, right? So here we have a component, right? So it's an alert component, and in the app component we are going to use that one. Okay, so in app alert is inside a dark theme. Okay, so here you can see that dot dark theme container, it will have the dark styling. If app alert is inside a light theme container, it will have the light styling. So unlike host, and the host context allows inheriting styles based on the external conditions. So when to use host, and the host context feature targets the root element. In the host, yes, and the host context, no. So the host will target the root level element, right? Can depend on the external styles, host no, but host context yes. Used for the dynamic themes, yes, and in the host context, yes. Scope for the component, yes, and for the host context is no. Okay, so let's use this alert component, right? So I'm going to change this in our, let's update this our same component, contact us. So here we have the contact, let me just close this, home, app component css, contact us we have. So let's update this, sorry, this is css, right? So here we have the css, where we have the css, so here we have the css. Okay, host context. Now what we have to add, so warning, check your settings. Okay, so let's add in our contact us component dot html. Okay, so it's a component, right? So wherever you want to add, you can add. Okay, so this is the component file, right? Now I'm going to use in our app component. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this and use it, or just I need to just add this one on the top of it. Okay, so if I go our main component.html file, let's go there. Yeah, so here I'm ts file. Okay, so here you can see that we have at the last we have added over here, and we are going to close this div. Okay, save this, and now here you can see that, so here you can see what theme is applied, but it's not full-fledged, right? Just let me check this. Div class is equal to dark theme, and here you can see that the dark theme, so this is the background color is black, and if I go with width 100%, what will happen? I think this is okay without affecting this one, and it is applied with the dark theme, right? Okay, so here you can see that if alert is inside a dark theme container, it will have the dark styling. Okay, so here you can see that the dark theme, and this is a host context, that is background color should be black, color yellow. So here you can see that color is yellow, here you can see, and the background color is black, so background color is black, and padding according to it is adjusted, right? So this is how you can use the host context and the host one Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.